Do you know what keeps your car running smoothly? It's the heart of your vehicle, the engine. Today we're diving into the world of basic car maintenance, focusing on 3 key tasks that ensure the longevity and efficiency of your car's engine. Checking and refilling engine oil, understanding engine coolant, and replacing air filters. Scene script. Imagine engine oil as the lifeblood of your car's engine. It lubricates the moving parts and helps keep the engine cool. To check and refill engine oil, first, open the hood and find the dipstick, usually marked with a bright handle. Then pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and pull it out again to check the oil level. If it's below the minimum mark, remove the oil filler cap and add the recommended type of oil, checking the level as you go. Next, let's talk about engine coolant. This liquid maintains the optimal operating temperature by circulating through the engine and radiator. To check and refill engine coolant, find the translucent coolant reservoir under the hood and ensure the level is between the min and max lines. If it's low, add the correct type of coolant to the reservoir, not directly into the radiator. Lastly, we have air filters. A clean air filter ensures that your engine receives plenty of clean air, vital for efficient combustion. To replace air filters, locate the air filter housing, usually found in a black plastic box with metal clips on the side. Open the housing and take out the old filter, then place the new filter in the housing and secure the lid back on. Remember, always perform these checks and maintenance tasks on a cold engine to avoid burns. Use gloves and eye protection when dealing with engine fluids. And, importantly, dispose of used oil and coolant responsibly by taking them to a recycling centre. By mastering these tasks, you're one step closer to ensuring that your engine runs smoothly, efficiently, and has a longer life. So gear up for the next module, where we'll decode the electrical system of your car. Until then, happy maintaining.